got Mr. Neil Selbicky here helping to take this swarm away. A volunteer hive produced a swarm.
Get these away, they hit and they drop the bees on down. And you got bees all over. If you do it right, you shouldn't have a problem.
Don't want to dump our bees on the ground.
Yeah.
My dad was always so sad if he got stung because he lost one of his girls. He loved his girls.
Oh, he said that?
Pardon me?
He said that.
Yeah. He loved his girls. Too bad for our cute little tree.
Take some more off.
I love that you're working there barehanded, no bee hat.
I didn't want to do that. Let's see what happens here. I thought that it was all connected to this one right here. I didn't want to drop the bees.
Boy, they have really. Look at them. There they go. Hey, girls. Enjoy. You got a nice place here.
So if they get the queen, they'll all go in the box.
Where are these going to go? Neil, do you still have your property of Carmel Rancho? Grill on my arm there for a minute. So I guess I have to ask the question everyone always asks, do you get stung?
Oh, yeah.
Daddy didn't have any reaction to it. He'd just get a little red mark, but
Yeah, it's the same with me.
yeah, pretty good tolerance, huh?
What I'll do is put the top on. So all those bees, I should have the queen in there. All those bees will go in the box. I'll trim those around the bottom, make it look like a little Christmas tree. Trim it for you.
Sweet.
But let me get the top.
Here, let me get you close up. Mr. Neil Selbicky. Thank you, sir.